Hello friends, this is Robin Yugraj Singh from Yugraj Foundation Amritsar, and today motives of this video is just to inform you that what you should do if you have recently got your Canadian study visa disapproved or refused. Okay, first of all, you should not worry too much about your refusal because I am just going to discuss with you what are the basic reasons of refusals in these days. You must be aware that a few days ago, in the month of April, embassy, the Canadian consulate or IRCC, has informed to the students that any students whose file is pending, and if they lose the file before 15th of May, they will be going to get their decisions by 6th of August 2021. So anyone who has submitted the file during this period, they are getting the decisions, because there was a lot of issues regarding corona pandemic, and workforce was working mostly from the home, and Canadian consulate was having the limited staff, and just because of this sort of announcement, lots of people and students they had submitted their files with the embassy within this time frame. So because of the limited staff, they were not in the positions to make the decision quickly. So what did they done? They have taken their decisions in haste, and they just rejected most of the files, irrespective of the fact whether they were under SDS or non-SDS, or whether they were having the PT, or they were having the IELTS, or they were having 6 each or 7 band. Most of the students scored the rejections because embassy just wanted to go away with their workload. So my point of view is that if you have recently got victim of such a refusals, don't lose your heart, because still you do have a very good chance, because most of our students have already got their visa approvals after the relodgement. Means once they got the refusal, they again submitted the files, almost same file, with the letter of explanation why they should not got the refusals, and we managed to get approvals, approximately 100% visa approvals of those students. So if you do have the same sort of situations in your hand with you, and you have recently got your refusal in spite of your 6 man each, or you were qualifying under SDS, still do you have a chance to get your visa approved. So what you can do, you can just contact us. Our WhatsApp and contact number is 9888713144, and our website is www.yugrajfoundation.com, and we are in this business for last more than 19 years, and we know how to handle this situation. Only fact is that only those students need to contact us who do qualify for the SDS, who do have 6 man each, they have their GIC, or they are capable of making their GIC right now. They should contact us, and we will do our best to get their visa approved, because we do have lots of students who have already got their visa approvals, and we have already submitted some files, and whose decisions have already come, and we have already got the visa approval, and we are going to post more videos of visa approvals on our Instagram and on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Yugraj Foundation Amritsar. And also you can search Yugraj Foundation on Instagram and follow us. We are going to help you as much as possible, irrespective of the fact whether you are from which country, or you are from Punjab or outside Punjab, or you are from Haryana, or you are from South India or North India. It doesn't matter. We are here to help Indian students to get their dream of going to Canada, to study in Canada, come true. So that's all about the video, and you can contact us. My direct number 9888713144. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your near and dear one, to all the students who have recently got the visa approval, or to all the students whose visa were recently rejected and they just want their visa to be approved. Share this video to them. Thank you. So nice of you. This was Robin Yugraj Singh from Yugraj Foundation Amritsar. Website www.yugrajfoundation.com. Thank you.